Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use filters on Facebook Live. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure you have the official Facebook app downloaded on your phone and that you are logged into your account. Once you're signed in, open the app and tap on the What's on Your Mind section at the top of your feed. From there, select the live video option to start setting up your broadcast. Once you enter the live video setup screen, you'll see options to add filters and effects before starting your stream. You can adjust these filters as needed to match your preferred look or theme. If you're prompted to allow access to your camera or microphone, make sure you enable these permissions so your live stream functions properly. After that, look for the Filters option on the screen. This is where you can preview and apply different effects. If you can't find the Filters section, or it doesn't appear in your app, try uninstalling the Facebook app and reinstalling it. In some cases, the newest app version may not include certain features, so you can also install an older version of the Facebook app from a reliable source. Then log in again with your account details, and you should be able to see the filters option available for your live sessions. Once the filters are applied, you can start your Facebook Live and enjoy streaming with enhanced visuals and creative effects. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use filters on Facebook Live. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.